Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the process of opening a Razorpay account. Whether you're a business owner or an individual looking for a secure and reliable payment gateway, Razorpay is here to simplify your transactions. So let's get started. The first step is to visit the Razorpay website at www.razorpay.com. Click on the Sign Up Now and Sign Up button available on the subsequent screen. On the Sign Up page, select the Sign into Razorpay.com with Google option. Please note that as of July 2023, the only available and functional option for signing up is through Google accounts. The registration process using email or mobile number has been temporarily suspended. Once you click on the Google Sign Up option, Razorpay will prompt you to confirm the usage of your Gmail ID. Simply click on the confirmation button as indicated in the screenshot. You will be prompted to confirm once more time to create the account. Click on the Create New Account. A new window will open, and you will be prompted to provide some details about your business, such as business type, monthly revenue, and contact information. If you are not a manufacturer and do not have registration details like CIN, corporate identification number, you may want to select the business type as individual. Another option is private, which requires additional information to create the account. Here, you'll need to fill out the account creation form. It includes basic information like business type as individual for individual businesses. For registered businesses, choose the option Private and proceed by clicking on Next. Provide your estimated revenue and click on Next. Enter your business name and phone number, then click on Next to continue. After clicking Next, Razorpay will initiate a verification process to ensure the security of your account. This might involve verifying your email address or mobile number through an OTP, one-time password, sent to you. Once you've successfully completed the verification process, congratulations! You now have your own Razorpay account. Upon logging into your account, you'll be greeted with the Razorpay dashboard. This is your central hub for managing payments, viewing analytics, and accessing various features. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the layout and explore the different sections available. Please take note that you are currently in test mode. To complete the registration process, you will need to submit the required KYC, Know Your Customer, details. Let's start with the business type as individual. Click on Business Overview and fill in the required details. Verify the business type and select the appropriate business category from the list provided. Enter a brief business description of at least 50 characters. Choose the suitable payment channels for your business. Enter the URL of your website and click on Save and Continue to proceed. Now that we have completed the initial setup, let's move on to the next step in creating your Razorpay account. Click on Business Details and fill in the required details. Enter the PAN number and the PAN holder's name. Provide a billing label, which can be the name of your business. Enter the physical address of your business site. Once done, click on Save and Continue. Great! We're almost there. Let's proceed to the next stage of setting up your Razorpay account. Click on Bank Account and fill in the required details. Enter the beneficiary name followed by the branch IFSC code. You can locate the IFSC code in your checkbook. Provide the account number associated with your bank account. Once you've entered the required information, click on Save and Next. We're making progress. Let's move on to the next step of setting up your Razorpay account. Click on Document Verification and upload required documents. Upload the necessary documents, such as the address proof, for example, Aadhaar card. Once you have uploaded the required documents, click on Submit Form.
Fantastic! We have completed your Razorpay account setup. Next step is to generate the secret and use it while integrating with your website. If you have a registered business and you have selected the private option, you will be prompted to provide additional details. In the Business Overview section, select the appropriate business subcategory that aligns with your business. In the Business Details section, enter the business PAN, business name, and CIN, corporate identification number, if applicable. For the owner's PAN details, enter the authorized signatory PAN and PAN owner's name. Finally, upload any additional documents required, such as the business registration proof and company PAN. The account setup and registration process is now complete. Before we wrap up, there is one last important aspect to cover: the key ID and key secret. These are confidential credentials that you will need when integrating the Razorpay payment gateway with your online store. To access your API keys, click on Account and Settings within your Razorpay account. Next, navigate to the API Keys section. Here, you will find the option to generate or regenerate your keys. Click on that option to generate a new set of keys. Once generated, make sure to copy both the key ID and the key secret. These will be used during the integration process with your website or online store. That's it. You now have your key ID and key secret ready to be utilized for seamless integration of the Razorpay payment gateway into your website. Make sure we keep your key ID and key secret secure, and do not share them with anyone to maintain the confidentiality and security of your Razorpay account. Please note that you will encounter similar options in live mode as well. However, it's important to differentiate between the secrets used for testing purposes and those used for a live website. During the testing phase, when your website is in test mode, you will generate and utilize the API key specific to the test environment. These test keys are meant for testing and development purposes only and should not be used in a live production environment. Once you are ready to make your website live, you will need to switch to live mode within your Razorpay account. In the live mode, you will generate a new set of API keys specifically for your live website. These live API keys should be copied and used for the integration with your production website, to ensure secure and proper functioning of the Razorpay payment gateway. And there you have it. You've successfully opened a Razorpay account and are ready to start accepting payments. Remember to explore the additional features and services offered by Razorpay to enhance your payment experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy transacting with Razorpay.